Well, we're tracking the return of that heat and humidity across mid-Missouri, getting us out the door into our Tuesday. You can see these temperatures getting back into the upper 70s and upper 80s before too long. I think we're going to be knocking on the door of 90 degrees by this afternoon, right around that lunchtime hour here for our Tuesday. You factor in some of that humidity, though, that could be setting the table for what we could see unfold later on tonight. We see a pretty ripe environment for some of these storms. That's leading the Storm Prediction Center and us here as well, thinking we could be seeing some storms get on the stronger side of the spectrum into some of our northern counties as they push in. This is going to be pretty late tonight. Latest look at Future Track here, continuing to show that potential into the early morning hours for our Wednesday. A line of showers and thunderstorms going to be rolling out of Iowa and Nebraska into tomorrow. And as they hold together, if they can hold together, again, could be coming with that potential of some gusty winds. But we're expecting them to weaken as we get into the later morning hours for our Wednesday. Now, how fast that happens, again, is going to determine how the afternoon unfolds. But looks like Future Track hanging on to some of these rain chances pretty late into the day. That's kind of what we want to see happen, because not only does that take the edge off some of that heat, it also kind of squashes our storm chances by the afternoon. We'll kind of take a little wider picture. This is what could unfold back toward places like Illinois. Watch this here as we head into the afternoon and evening. That could happen across mid-Missouri if you just want to drag that a little bit further to the west, especially if those morning round of storms comes in a little bit weaker than what we think right now. So something that we're going to be tracking, a very fluid situation. We've seen this unfold the last couple of times. It's just a little bit slippery to pin down exactly how it's going to be unfolding. But damaging straight line winds and large hail certainly possible as we head not only into the early morning hours tomorrow, but even into the afternoon for our Wednesday. That'll kind of save us from the brunt of the heat and humidity on Wednesday. After that, though, it is on here, that heater across mid-Missouri. We're going to be expecting these heat indices back into the triple digits by about Friday, and really Friday onward. You want to avoid some of that peak heating times across mid-Missouri into the afternoon, anytime from about noon to 5 or so. You want to avoid any of those outdoor strenuous activities if at all possible. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, we're locked in that heat and humidity all the way through Monday, and it looks like it could even spill over into the middle of next work week.